Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Tessa at Tessa Lynn Nails. Another Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme was negative space. I'll be using KM02 stamping plate. It's a beautiful plate. It's one of those huge plates, and it's got like a gazillion images on it. It's so pretty. I love it. Love, love these buffet plates. There's so many things to choose from. That water marble and the flower and just so, so nice. Very, very pretty. Very big. I'll be using one of my Glamour Liz hands today, and I'll be using the Pearl Blue by She Modern Sticky Stamp and Polish and the Blue Hollow Glitter Pixie. I'll be using that new Maniology stamper from one of the Mani Me or Mani by Me boxes. I figured I wasn't gonna be looking for specific bits and pieces of these designs, so it didn't matter if I can see through it or not. So there we go. We've got that image picked up, and let's get it on a nail. Just line it up and put it on there. There we go. I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller. And here we go. We're going to clean the plate with some pure acetone. And I'm going to clean up around the nail with some acetone in my cleanup brush real quick. Because I don't want to get that glitter all up on the skin of the nail, or you know what I'm saying, the skin around the nail. It's, I don't want it sticking up there and having to clean that up. So here we go. I'm just going to sprinkle some across the nail. And you just tap on the bottom of these little bottles and it dispenses. And then I'm going to take my finger and kind of tap it in. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Very pretty. Loving it. All right. To get the glitter off my finger, I'm running it across the lint roller. And we're just going to use some different images off this plate. And I can't remember the name of this hand. I think it's either Elsa. I think it's Elsa. I really do. It's either Elsa or Liz, but I believe it's Elsa. Once again, we're going to clean up around with using the sticky stamp and polish. You've got plenty of time to do this sort of cleanup. And here's another way you can do these. I'm going to tap some of it out on the mat and then use my finger to pick it up and tap it into the design. This is not my preferred way. I would rather just tap it over the nail. I'm just showing different ways in case you're interested. So this is a happy birthday manicure for our friend Tessa, the collab over on Instagram. I will have a hashtag down below and links to all the other participants if you'd like to go check out the other negative space manicures. And here we go. We're just bebopping along. Going to get another image. Like that flower. I love this plate. It's just, like I said, endless possibilities of so many pretty things you could do. Get that plate out of the way and plop that image onto the nail. Clean up before you start to sprinkle. And this truly isn't like 100% negative space because I didn't use a clear nail, but I didn't want to use a clear nail by using the Glamour Liz hand because they're like totally see-through. So here we go. We're gonna go back to our tapping it over the image. That works out pretty well. And then just tapping it over with my finger. I am kind of brushing it a little bit, which could be dangerous. I could mess up the image, but I got lucky and didn't do that. So here we go. Got to get another image picked up real quick. I love these sticky stamping polishes, though. For this kind of work, they're really good. Really, really. Well, they're really good in every application that I've used them in. There we go. Get that on the nail. Get some cleanup done. but I figured this would work out. Just doing even though they're kind of colored tips, they're the off-white or whatever, I figured that still would count. So please go check out all the other manicures over there on the Instagram. I just love getting together with these girls and wishing everybody happy birthdays or other special occasions. So would like you guys to join me. So I'm going to go in with my little puffy brush and dust off as much of that glitter as I can for all of the nails. Go in with a piece of tape, get some of the excess up. Because, you know, playing with glitter can be a messy thing sometimes. It can be outright messy. I'm going to use the Sealer Clear water-based polish from She Modern to go over these nails. And it's going on a little milky, and then when it dries, it'll be clear. Oops, got a fuzz. And once that's totally dry, we'll be topping them off with something else. But we're going to seal this glitter in with this clear sealer. And I really thought this turned out really cute, very fancy. I'm going to use Shush Feet to top these off today. And we're going to call this one done. I really do hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. There's my swatch photo. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.